What's up, everybody? Brian here with Attention to Details in Chesterton, Indiana. Yes, we are actually located in Chesterton, Indiana. We got a lot going on, so sorry for the notes here. This Saturday from 9 to 12, Kenny and I are going to be at Jeep, LaPorte Chrysler Dodge Jeep, Magnuson Performance for their Jeeps in Java. We're going to be setting up an XPEL booth there. It's going to be pretty good. There's awesome vehicles. Even if you don't own a Jeep, we recommend you guys come down, check it out. Coffee's going to be supplied for Big B Coffee. Lots of cool things. They got their Jeep trails out there. You can go ride in some amazing Jeeps and check out their builds. We've partnered up with them, the owner Matt and I, get some things put together. The new Elephant Jeep they just finished. It's like 700 some horsepower from the ground up built. It's amazing. We're getting ready to get that in here, fully wrap it in XPEL Stealth. And then we got multiple projects going on. So this Saturday from 9 to 12, come check it out. You won't be disappointed. And we're going to be having our raffle, one free wear and tear kit. It's about a $325 value, up to $375 depending on the vehicle. But we're going to have our film there. You can see the different films, our coatings, really neat display items. So come check that out, 9 to 12 this Saturday, LaPorte Chrysler Dodge and Jeep Magnuson Performance. It's going to be a good time. Come check it out. All right, I wanted to give a big shout out to for Chesterton, Valparaiso, Munster, Griffith, Michigan, Illinois, Chicago area. Where else am I forgetting here? Anyway, our whole surrounded area. We're getting stuff 2 hours south of us coming up for our services with XPEL and our ceramic coating. So I want to thank you so much for our existing clients and the continuing new clientele that's coming in every day. We are growing at an extremely fast rate, and we're very humbled and honored to take care of the vehicles. Also, I want a special thanks to Sand Creek subdivision. We've been advertising with them for a little bit, and the feedback and the clientele that are coming in is absolutely amazing. Some really cool cars coming in, everyday drivers as well. We're keeping them protected. Yeah, I just want to thank you very much to the Sand Creek residents for trusting us with your vehicles. Okay, sorry about this guy here. This is a lot of stuff. So I'm going to be doing a special for the month of April and May, and it's going to be a deep spring clean for your car. So we also have interior packages, but this is going to be the outside that takes the most abuse. We've had a very mild winter, but we still had some salt and that brine stuff down, and just the crud that gets up there. Some counties use sand that gets all up into your wheel wells and your rims and suspension. So the proper way to do that is get your car in here. We're going to do a deep clean. So for small cars and SUVs, rims off, wheel wells, suspension, everything clean that we can get our hands on. Clean your rims, install them properly back on. Then we're going to do a complete decon of the body and your outside glass, clay, decon, then we're going to polish with a 1-year polymer sealant. Phenomenal product from Roops that we use here, 1 year guaranteed, providing it's maintained properly, and we'll teach you and educate you how to do that to get the longevity. And we never charge maintenance charges for maintenance washes on any of our coatings ever. Also, so the cars and the SUVs, we're going to be at $425. Large trucks, $475 to $500. It's going to be a mild polish, clean, like I just said, decon, get it spruced up and get the critical parts clean, suspension, rims, and stuff like that. So we're going to be doing that for the next 2 months. Give us a call, we can book you in. We're already booking jobs on it, but give us a shout, we'll get you in as soon as we can. We're actually starting to book out going into first week of May on a lot of our XPEL jobs, but polishing, paint correction, interiors, your normal detailing, give us a call, we can get you in. Window tinting as well. Window tinting, we're running about a week and a half out, but be sure you get your spots. Then I want to talk about our ceramic coatings. Our 4-year ceramic coating is $1,200. 2-year ceramic coating, $600. And then our 1-year coating is $375. Always, those prices don't increase. That is bringing the vehicle in, doing a deep clean, decon, clay bar, prepping the finish, getting it ready for our chemicals to go on. A lot of people go, I can get a 7-year and 8-year. I don't believe in those. That's just my opinion. A lot of it's education. Now, I have some that last that as long as 4-year is actually a 7-year coating, but being realistically in the world we live here, especially Northwest Indiana, and the maintenance and upkeep. Car washes, automated car washes, touchless or the brush ones, all play a critical role in starting to break down coating. I don't care what coating it is, it's going to break it down. And so I just give a straight 4-year coating warranty, 2-year, and like I said, the 1-year in different prices. And again, the biggest thing is we're not charging you to come in every 6 months or every 3 months and charging you $75 to $150 for a simple wash to check to make sure the products. It is always free. We're with you here from the start to the end of keeping your vehicle protected. What we got else going on here? Oh, we got some really cool cars coming in. So we have the brand new 2022 Lamborghini Urus for a full wrap with Expel Fusion. We're actually going to use the Expel Black, two-tone the black roof. So that's coming in, I believe, April 6th. We're going to have a 2007 GT40 that'll be delivered here first of next week. It's coming in out of Texas from one of our car collectors, fully wrapping that as well. Pretty excited. We have the new Cadillac Escalade SUV, the sports model. We're doing in stealth. It's going to be beautiful. That's supposed to be here today or tomorrow, and numerous more that I'm forgetting about. The 2008 Lamborghini Murcielago that we have up here, we put that on stall because we're doing some other things. It is now ready to go. We got a few more preps to get done to it, but this is going to start towards the end of the week. Full wrap with Expel Ultimate Plus Fusion. So we'll have this knocked out, I'm hoping, by sometime next week, and then this can be delivered. And we got some really cool other cars, like I said, normal everyday drivers. We got the new 2023, I believe it is the Toyota Sienna. Am I saying that right? It's a minivan. Sorry about the name, but we're doing a full frontal and rockers on that. Got a couple more Teslas coming in. So a lot of cool things happening. We got the 2019 Jeep Rubicon over here. Fully wrapped in Expel. We have the hood left, but we went in, took mirrors off. This client wanted to up it up, so mirrors off, fenders off, the whole 9 yards. So this Jeep is probably about 95% completed. Then this will be done. We've got a really cool BMW M3 that we've done some work previous, put some Expel on it for the client. Now we're just coming in and we're just doing a little bit extra, coating some areas for him. And he had a couple little chips that we just went in and fixed and leveled out. So that's going on. That should be done by the end of the day. We got a car outside that Jose just come in the door. He's just doing his final check out there in the sun. But we got lots of going on. So for anything that you might need for getting your cars clean, interior, window tinting, coatings, glass coatings, proper rim off ceramic coatings on your rims, not just one product that does everything. We have separate products that does different things that hold up extremely well. So give us a shout, like I said, here at Attention to Details in Chesterton. For now, love and happiness, peace.